If you want to learn how to create different Freeplane independent instances, each one totally and completely independent one from another, just follow the steps in this video. Open your Windows Explorer, select the drive where installed your Freeplane software. In my computer, Freeplane was installed in the C drive, which is the same drive where I installed my Windows system. Open up, my Freeplane folder is inside the Program Files folder. Double click it, open the Freeplane folder. Here what we need is just this path, this address. After finding your Freeplane folder and this Freeplane.exe file, select any place in your computer. It could be your desktop area, it could be any other folder. I'm just gonna select this folder because it's the place where I save my Freeplane independent running instances. Give a mouse right click, go to New, and click at Shortcut. Hit Browse. Now you just need to follow this path, this address, and click at the Freeplane.exe file. This computer, C, Programs file, Freeplane folder, Freeplane.exe file, hit OK, hit Next. Here you can input any name for your Freeplane.exe file you want. The name here really doesn't matter. I'm gonna input Freeplane with the capital letter, then space and number 5. Hit Finish, and as you can see, I just created this Freeplane file.exe shortcut. Give a mouse right click above it, select Properties. This Freeplane 5.exe Properties panel will pop up. And I'm gonna also open the Properties panel of another shortcut that I have so we can just compare. Freeplane2.exe Properties, and as you can see, this is Freeplane 5.exe Properties panel, and this is Freeplane2.exe Properties panel. The only difference between those two shortcut files is this command line in the end of this target field. Now you're just gonna copy and paste this command line that you can find in this video description below this video. I'm gonna press Ctrl C. The only thing you have to change here is this number in the end of this command line. I'm gonna select Freeplane 5.exe Properties, click in the very end of this target field, press space key, hit Ctrl V, and I'm just gonna change this number 2 for the number 5. Hit Apply and hit OK. Now this Freeplane 5.exe shortcut will run a totally and completely independent Freeplane instance. But we are not finished yet. You first need to launch this Freeplane instance for the first time. This welcome map will be displayed, which is the map that is displayed when you open Freeplane for the first time. If you want to keep this brand new Freeplane running instance with the standard stock settings and configurations, you are good to go. You can start using, setting up, and customizing this Freeplane independent instance in the way you want, because this new Freeplane instance is totally and completely independent from the other running instances. But in my case, I like to take all the settings, shortcuts, preferences, and everything I have set up in my old Freeplane instances and apply in my new Freeplane running instance whenever I create a new one. So, to do that, after launching this brand new Freeplane instance for the first time, you need to close it, select any other Freeplane running instance that you have, go to menu bar, Tools, and click at Open User Directory. This Windows Explorer folder will pop up. You need to go backwards 2 folders, going back 1 folder, then going back to roaming folder. Here, as you can see, I have all my Freeplane independent running instances folders with its own configurations, settings, preferences, shortcuts, and loaded maps. That's why each Freeplane running instance is totally and completely independent one from another. I'm gonna select this Freeplane number 2 folder, open this other folder, select all the folders and files, hit Ctrl C to copy, go back again 2 folders, select my brand new Freeplane 5 folder, open this another folder, hit Ctrl V to paste, hit replace the files in the destination. After that, if you open your brand new Freeplane running instance, this new Freeplane run instance has exactly the same settings, configurations, preferences, and everything I already had set up in my other Freeplane independent instance. So that's how you create a really independent Freeplane instance from the other instances you have, and also how you can copy and paste all the settings you already have set up in any other Freeplane independent instance that you already have in your computer. That's it for now. See you in the next video.